In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask for a refund on 1688. If an order didn't arrive as expected or there's a problem with the items, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do from start to finish. Start by opening the 1688 website or the mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're in, head to the My Orders section. This is where all your purchases live and where refund actions begin. Find the specific order you want to refund. Open the order and go into the detailed view so you can see item information, timelines, and available after-sales options. Look for the refund or return button. On many pages, you'll see labels such as Shen Qing Tui Quan, which means apply for refund, or Tui Quan Tui Hua, meaning refund or return. Tap the option that best matches what you need so you can open the refund form. You'll be asked to pick a reason. Choose the one that fits your situation, like item not received, wrong item sent, damaged product, poor quality, or the supplier did not ship. Selecting the most accurate reason helps the platform and the seller understand your request faster. Most refund requests require evidence. Upload clear photos or short videos that show the issue, include close-ups of damage or defects, and, if helpful, the packaging or labels. Add screenshots of your conversation with the supplier and any tracking details that support your claim. The clearer your proof, the smoother the review. Make sure timestamps are visible when possible, and avoid heavy edits beyond simple annotations. Short, focused clips that clearly show the problem are best. Enter the refund amount you're requesting, and write a short explanation describing what happened and what outcome you expect. Keep the message factual and polite. Submit the request and give the system time to notify the supplier. After submission, be ready to communicate through the built-in chat. The supplier may approve the refund, offer a replacement, ask you to return the item, or propose a partial refund. Reply promptly and consider using a simple translation if language is a barrier. If you reach an agreement, keep a record of it in the chat. For partial refunds, confirm the exact amount in writing before accepting. Keep all communication inside the platform for traceability. If a return is required, ship the product to the address provided by the supplier, keep your receipt, and enter the tracking number in the refund request page. Then wait for the supplier's confirmation of receipt. Once your request is approved, the refund will be sent back to your original payment method. Processing can take several business days, depending on your bank or payment provider. Check your order page